Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Saima Rahman. I have worked in Beacon House for 19 years. My last designation was as a head of a branch. Being an educationist, I had the opportunity to observe the different trends in education as a result of COVID-19. Today, I am going to talk about hybrid learning model. Hybrid learning model is the most important model that is to be implemented in the present times once the schools are ready to reopen for all students. The first question is, what is hybrid learning? Hybrid learning is a combination of two different methods of learning, face-to-face and online, in such a manner that they form into a cohesive experience. Teachers have to be very vigilant during this class क्योंकि जो भी उन्होंने instructions देनी होती हैं, they are supposed to be very clear for the students who are in class and also online. Presently, hybrid teaching model is used a lot because of COVID-19. हमें पता है कि हमें first priority अपने बच्चों को safe and secure environment देनी है, which is only possible through hybrid teaching model. Let us now discuss the features of hybrid teaching in detail. Hybrid teaching promotes active learning process. The instructor is always available for the learner. Integration of online content and in-class content and activities is explicit and promotes learning. Strictly content, resources, activities and assessments, learning outcomes are all aligned in hybrid teaching. Hybrid teaching provides opportunities of assessments of students at regular intervals and encourages learning beyond classrooms. Let's come to the benefits of hybrid teaching. A hybrid course combines the convenience of online instructions and the benefits of classroom instructions in order to achieve best learning outcomes. The recordings provided can be rewatched and reread. The instructions can also be recorded and provided to the students. This method provides instant grading tools which promotes learning in students. Equal opportunity is provided to all students as they can be in contact with the professor and their classmates at all times. Finally, the learning is extended beyond classrooms. Once the teachers are planning a hybrid course, it is important that they keep in mind that what are the learning objectives that they are going to achieve and plan for online and face-to-face. The points they have to consider is that how are they going to grade face-to-face and online activities. For this, it is recommended that the following steps can be taken into consideration. Number 1, start at the foundation. That means set the goals. Plan assessment, planning backwards. Assessment and assignment should be aligned with the learning outcomes. Step 3 is to create a course map. Step 4 is to plan activities related to the lesson's objectives and ensure that good quality of plan is made that can help students achieve learning outcomes 100%. It is further recommended that a trial of the plan may be conducted and a critical friend can be a part of it to suggest any change. Thank you.